Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Dalen and Kylie. Been hearing about y'all too. In fact, I think I saw y'all the other day up around Cotton Patch. I'm pretty sure I did. I've been down here moving the reindeer from the lower pastures, moving them up to the stables, getting ready for the big trip. Let me get this set out of the way. Be back just a second here. Whew. Been a chore. Gotta admit, yeah, it's been a chore. Like that. Let me see what we got in the old book about you two. Oh, Kylie, I remember now for sure. I've seen you play basketball. Yeah, I have. You're a good ball player. And I've also heard you sing at church. You're good at singing, real good. Dalen, something about you, man. You're just cool. You come off like Batman or something. I don't know. I just see you and it's like, Batman! I don't know what it is about you, but you just pull it off. Keep it up. You two have been great. Extra special great. You can expect something special from old Santa this year. I'm gonna need your help though. As you can see, runny noses, I'm beat. Reindeer got runny noses. We've got snot dripping down. Reindeer snot's extra green, slimy and everything, and it just drips and drips and drips. Yucky stuff. Yucky stuff. Hey, have you ever seen slime that comes in a can? You know, you get in toy stores and it's this great thick slime stuff. All it is reindeer snot. They just package it up and sell it to you. That's all it is. Well, anyway, if you would leave me some cough drops or a little sinus medicine out, it would help us tremendously. Because I hate to be flying up there and all of a sudden get whacked in the face with a big thing of old reindeer snot. It's just gross to the max. That's all you can say. Just grody, grody, grody. But anyway, I know I'm way off track. Way off track. But anyway, I wish you two a very, very Merry Christmas. So get ready for it. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to Kylie and Dalen. I'll be seeing you two soon.